How to duplicate page on your WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can duplicate a page on your WordPress website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will open up your dashboard for the website that you're creating. And in our dashboard, we get a lot of different options. In order to duplicate a page that you create on WordPress, you will have to scroll down and go to plugins. So go to plugins and then add new. It will open up the plugin center for you on WordPress. So here we can add any kind of plugin we want. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for duplicate page. Once you search for a duplicate page, a very easy plugins that we can add to our WordPress website. Where the first one is the easiest and it has more than 2 million active installation, compatible with my WordPress version, and it's really easy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on install now, and it will take a second to install. Once it's done, click on activate and your duplicate page plugin will be activated. So once you have the plugin, now go back to dashboard and go to pages right here. So you can go to pages and it will show you all of the pages that you have on your website. Now, if you want to do more settings to your duplicate page, you can just go to settings, your main settings, and it will have the option of duplicate page now because we added the plugin. Click on duplicate page and it will show you all of your duplicate page settings, such as choose editor, and then you have to choose a post that you want to duplicate, published or private. Then we have redirect after click. Then we have duplicate post suffix. So once you add all the details here, you can click on save changes and you will be able to now duplicate pages really easily with WordPress. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.